I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting only the footage you need into iMovie and positioning it in the timeline. First, import or drag the clip, then trim to the exact segment you intend to change. Once done, zoom the timeline so you can make precise edits and place the playhead at the frame where speed should begin. This reduces jump cuts and preserves sync. Make sure audio is linked if you plan to adjust both sound and motion together. Now you alter motion. Select your clip and open the speed controls, either via the speed button or Command R. Choose slow, fast, or custom, then type a percentage or use values like 0, 5x or 2x to get precise timing. If you need smooth changes, enable speed ramp and add keyframes where the rate shifts. This lets you blend between speeds without abrupt jumps. Also check how retiming affects clip duration, so your edits stay in sync with other layers. Finish by reviewing sync and quality. Detach audio if you need independent retiming, otherwise keep it linked and use pitch correction. Once satisfied, smooth cut points with brief transitions or enable frame blending options to reduce artifacts. If playback stutters or frames drop, render the project, verify clip and project frame rates match, and consider optical flow for better interpolation. Finally, export a short test clip to confirm speed, audio pitch, and smoothness before exporting the final video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.